People have romantic notions of the idea of a little puppy arriving for their little ones over the Christmas period, and I suppose with the availability of looking at dogs online now, that emotion can be satisfied very quickly without enough thought and consideration or research into a particular breed and indeed the time of year they're getting the pet. If you do introduce a little puppy over the Christmas period, it's one of the most difficult times to be able to train that puppy in terms of toilet training, in terms of socialisation and habituation. So you're putting yourself and the puppy at a very difficult start in life, and thereafter in the months ahead, when the puppy after 3 or 4 months hasn't learned their toilet training, isn't behaving appropriately in public, then the repercussions we start to see come in.
Winter was abandoned or lost just after Christmas last year. He came into us as a stray. It was a Saturday morning and he cried. He cried for 2 days. He was lonely, and the only time he didn't was when there was people with him. After that then he wasn't well, so he stayed here to get some medical attention. He lived in puppy screening for a while, where the carers would be close to him and when he done his screening. And if the carers weren't there, he'd cry. He suffers from separation anxiety. He wants to be with people, and he's a really gentle dog. He's had a few interests, but he's very gentle. So dogs can bully him a little bit. With smaller dogs, he likes to run, so we have to kind of find the perfect balance. So it's somebody who wants a big, soppy, loving boy, and they don't mind him lying around and being with him at all times.
To adopt a dog, like say little Ginger here, we'd invite them to go onto our website, where you can view all the dogs' profiles, the age of the dogs, the breeds, and whether they're suitable to go home with children or other dogs. And we'd invite them then to come up to our rehoming centre here in Finglas, where they'll meet one of the canine care team, and they'll go through a series of questions to ascertain what kind of dog would be most suitable for them. And then we would invite people to go around and have a look at the dogs and just generally spend some time with some of the dogs that they're interested in. They go through the process then of adoption. So there's an adoption talk we have that people sit in on, so learning all about looking after the dog and whatnot. So the whole family would be invited up to that. And then they take their dog then in due course to their forever home.